I'm Maya, and I love to read. And today I'm going to be reading a book called I Am Not a Chair by Ross Bourash.
Aww. On Giraffe's first day in the jungle. Woohoo! He felt something wasn't right. Is that a rhinoceros sitting on the giraffe? Gulp. Can I share that chair? Sure. Reading an alphabet book. Chair? I am not a chair. Giraffe knew he needed to clear things up right away. But... splat! Oh my! A monkey just splatted on his back like a chair, throwing his banana peel in the giraffe's face. He couldn't get the words out. A snake almost choked him. And a skunk? Oh, that does not sound pleasant. But at least he's smelling flowers. I'm a giraffe. Can't they see? I have spots. Boop, boop. And ears. Tug. And eyes. And whatever these things are. I don't think anybody knows what those are for. If they couldn't see the difference, Giraffe would have to show them. Snap, twist, twist, clink, clunk. Ooh, he's building something. Now that's a chair. Looks nothing like me. Well, actually, kind of does. New friends were already headed this way. Problem solved. They're definitely not they're gonna tell the difference that that's a chair and that's not. Oomph! Wobble, wobble, wobble. Nope, guess they didn't. Smash! Oh no! My chair! Still doesn't look like a chair to me. I'll fix it. Sniff, sniff. This goes here. That goes there. Giraffe's first day could not get any worse. Yikes. But at least no one could sit on him now. Definitely not. How's he even balancing on that leg? Welp, I guess even birds can. Flap, flap, flap. He does perfectly look that. While Giraffe looked for a solution, someone was spying on him. A human! Surely he'll know who I am. Look at those spots. It's perfect. Oh, yikes. Not sure that's how you handle a giraffe. Well, I guess he just likes polka dots and decided to get a polka dot chair. Unamused. Smartest species? Yeah, right. Even a human couldn't figure it out. Enough! I am not a chair. And I am speaking up to the next animal I see. Roar! Maybe not. The next animal I see will be my dinner. That's pretty sharp looking. Even if I have to sit here all night. Bonk. Well, he's also using the giraffe as a chair to wait for an animal to eat. Wow, lion.
Giraffe wished he could run. He wished he could hide. He wished he wasn't so afraid.
No, I need to speak up. I need to be me, and
Giraffe couldn't hold it any longer.
I've got to pee.
Yikes!
Okay, here goes nothing. Gulp. Excuse me?
Huh? Huh? Who? What? I thought. Huh? Ah! Run for your lives! A talking chair!
I'm not a chair. I'm a giraffe. And the next day, he told everyone. And everything felt right.
Oh my. But now the giraffe is sitting on a tortoise. I don't think he minds as much. Me, a chair. Can you believe it? I think the tortoise knows what that's like now. The end. Only when the giraffe spoke up about him not being a chair, then the animals accepted him as just a friend and not a chair. If you like this book, make sure you check out my other videos. Bye!